A great way to begin is by showing you my own results. But first, let us hear the stories of people that I've mentored and I have coached using the same systems and frameworks that you are going to learn. They have used the same systems and frameworks that I'm going to teach you. I want you to learn from them and know that everything that you are going to learn is something that will make you a successful freelancer.
Hello, I am Alhaji Sisi.
I'm Kosnatu Bandura.
My name is Amadi Sani.
I had known Jesse for years before he introduced me to Upwork.
And I'm excited to share my journey and how Jesse's guidance has transformed my freelancing career on Upwork.
Before I go into freelancing, I was working a 9 to 5, and this 9 to 5 was paying me honestly less than $50, honestly speaking.
Before Upwork, Jesse was a seasoned product manager. He knows how to transform ideas from ideation to production.
I know that I have the skill, and the value that I was passing across to some clients then, this was very, very high, but the amount that I was making was very, very little. I was struggling to land a good client.
In my country, the common idea is to secure traditional employment, and freelancing was relatively unknown to me.
And God so good, He sent me Jesse Camara. Like, Jesse is a freelancing genius. Like, I mean what I'm saying.
It's not just talking about how to make money online as a freelancer, but it's talking about how to make money as an African freelancer. So he knows the struggle that I was passing through.
As a top-rated plus freelancer with more than 100K in earnings, Jesse's freelancing techniques and guides have been instrumental in how I approach Upwork.
His strategies for creating a compelling profile, creating proposals, and effectively communicating with clients were incredibly valuable.
It literally took me from a beginner stage to an expert. Yeah, like we started by him changing my mindset about freelancing in general.
I fully endorse his methods and strategies. If you want to be a top earner on Upwork, sign up for his course.
I am Jesse from Sierra Leone, a small but very beautiful West African country. My story is not different from yours. My country is plagued with power outages and low internet connectivity. Lucky areas get about 3 to 4 hours of electricity per day. This is where I called from and became one of the top 2% of freelancers on Upwork globally, and arguably one of the best freelancers in Africa. Before I became a freelancer, I was working as a product manager and team lead for an agency. This is me 2 years ago. Well, I was somehow happy, but I needed more. I knew I was not at my best. At this time, I was making less than $750 per month. I was living in a single room and I could barely get by. Most times I walked to work. I was not comfortable in my skin. My mind was not at rest because I felt overused and underpaid. So I began to research online side hustles. I spent about 6 months trying different things, which did not work. Then I finally discovered freelancing. Specifically, I discovered Upwork. I spent 3 months rambling around trying to figure out the platform. In this course, I will show you exactly what you need to do so that you do not have to ramble and waste your precious time. Eventually, I figured Upwork out. I solved Upwork. In this course, I will share with you all the tactics, the techniques, the frameworks, and the strategies you need to use to win on Upwork. From making less than $800 per month to making $8,000 per month. Upwork 10x'd my income. This is exactly what this course is going to do for you. My goal is to help you to 10x your income. Thank you and see you in the course.